Okay, I need some cough syrup. I need a lot of cough syrup.
Okay. But you better take that off with all them braids under there.
No, this is the style now.
Try my cough syrup. Mama, what is that? It's not for the weak.
I need to clean my camera over. What is that, just honey and garlic?
Yeah, and some red onions. It's that good shit.
That's a cough syrup?
Yes.
Isn't cough syrup supposed to be liquidy?
It is. I just made it today. I should have let it sit for a day for real. It said a couple of hours.
You eat a whole garlic clove.
No, you eat it like this.
Honey.
Come on. Open your mouth.
I'm not opening it.
Come on.
It's a mouthful.
It's honey. It's good, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
Swallow it. It's honey. And a little spice to it to clear all that shit out. That shit ain't nasty.
It's honey.
Right.
It's a mouthful of honey.
Are you spitting on my floor?
No. Garlic.
Kayana.
So good.